Stop confusing words between me versus might. Both are used for the possibility, permission, but they are not used in the same way. In this video, I will try to explain the difference between me and might. For this, I have divided the video into 5 parts. First, I will explain the rules. Second, will be the key differences. Third, I will explain the common mistakes. Fourth, we will have a quiz time. And fifth, easy trick to remember. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's start with me. May, we use may to ask or give permission, especially in formal situations and very polite way. So let's understand by examples. First example is, may I come in? Second is, may I use your phone? And third example is, you may leave now. These sentences sound polite and formal. So let's understand use of may when the possibility is stronger. May, we also use may to talk about possibility. When we use may, the chance is quite strong. So it may rain today, he may be late. This means there is a good chance, but we are not 100% sure. Strong possibility, we always use may. So let's understand use of might when the possibility is weaker. So let's, small chance, not sure. We use might to talk about a weaker possibility. Let's understand by examples. It might rain tomorrow. C might come to the party. Here the chance is low or certain. So in case of weak possibility, we always use might. Let's understand the common mistakes. Might I come in? This is wrong sentence. May I come in? This is the right. For permission, may is correct and polite choice. He may not come. This is wrong sentence. He might not come. This is the right one. When the chance is very low, might sounds better. Let's understand the key differences between may and might. May in the case of a stronger chance and permission, might is used for weaker chance. So we use may when the possibility is stronger when asking permission. Use might when the possibility is weaker. So let's have a quiz time. Choose may or might. First question is, does I come in, sir? Second question is, it does rain today. Third is, she does join us later. So let's find out the answer of all the questions. The first answer is, you may leave early today. The answer is me. It may rain today. It is high chance, that is why we use may. Third is, she might join us later. The chance is very low that she will join. So let's have an easy trick to understand. May sounds stronger and more confident. Might sounds weaker and more uncertain. Do practice daily use of may and might in daily English speaking. If this lesson helped you, like and share it and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Comment below and tell me which topic you want next. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel.